Jessica first prize and Srijita Ghosh first prize. The second prize goes to Dipasha Oran of class 5. Dipasha Oran. And the third prize goes to Pia Gupta, class 5. Pia Gupta. Next is inter-class singing competition. The first prize goes to Bulti Kar of class 10. First prize for inter-class singing competition goes to Bulti Kar of class 10. The second prize goes to Shreja Shrestha of class 10. And the third prize goes to Maishara Jahan Chowdhury of class 10. The third prize goes to Maishara Jahan Chowdhury of class 10 as well. Next is the inter-class mono acting competition that was held, and the first prize goes to Sarthak Kar of class 7. First prize Sarthak Kar of class 7. Second is Ankur Shah of class 8. Ankur Shah of class 8, and the third prize goes to Aridru Shah of class 7. We would like to end the medal giving ceremony here. We would be happy if everyone would give a clap to all the winners gifted today. Thank you and have a good evening.
Hello.
Pleasure and delight. I am your host DB Nilotpal, author of IPS, to come forward for the land lightning ceremony. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Shanti.
O Lord, lead me from illusion to reality. Lead me from ignorance to knowledge. Lead me from death to immortality. God, peace, peace, peace. Sri Tripurari Athar, IPS, the person responsible for the internal security of Siliguri, maintenance of law and order, control and detection of crime, and ensuring peace by enforcing the law.
We are grateful to have you, sir, for your esteemed presence in this annual event of our school. Today's gathering is eager to hear few words of encouragement and inspiration from you.
Something I am thankful to Sri B.K. Rai, who invited me and gave me this opportunity to be here. I know him for many years when I was here as additional SC. Since that time, I know him and his character, and I know his strength also. So I was very optimistic when he invited me here. And I am glad to be here, seeing his effort in molding the children of this area who have come from all walks of life, from class 1 to class 12, till class 12. So before I say anything, I am grateful to you and to the whole team for organizing this event. And the name itself, Fusion, has a great philosophy into it, because I would like to say to the children who would be becoming a responsible citizen in years to come, this word fusion, they should remember it throughout his life, because at every stage of life, they need to apply this principle, wherein they have to amalgamate into one. So then only they can create something beautiful for the society and for their own life and livelihood. There is nothing called right or wrong, but the word fusion. There is nothing called minus infinity or plus infinity. Unless the both ends, the minus infinity and plus infinity, meets together, then only you will get a big zero. The big zero includes in it everything. One dimension goes to plus infinity, one dimension goes to minus infinity. The combined together becomes zero. This is called fusion. So this principle everyone should apply in their life, unless they are able, so that you achieve a lot of success in your life. I thank the parents, the faculties, the teachers, principal, and Sri B. K. Rai and his family, who have supported him throughout his career.
Honorable Commissioner Sir, Sri Tripurari Atharva, and distinguished principals from different schools, Olivia, Emmanuel, North Point, and from Shri Krishna Pranami Vidya Niketan Sharma Sir, my dear parents, beloved students, thank you very much for coming and giving us this opportunity to explore the talent which the students have. There is not much to be said about this program, as Tripurari has already explained. Fusion means blending of all different talents, like we have negativity, the positivity, and until you overcome negativity, you can never be positive. So on this evening, basically, we will have your children performing on stage. And stage is some, a place in life. I mean, like if you read Shakespeare, he says, life is a stage actually. Each person has got a different role to play. So here we're trying to explore the talents of the children, inherent talents. Let me tell you that education is not only confined up to the textbooks. There are new horizons opening. There are children excelling in sports. Children are doing well in non-academic areas, and they're doing really very well for themselves. So we need to appreciate all the talents which are not necessarily academic. Though when we have a school in an institution, we generally talk about having academics at the helm, but there are a lot of peripheral areas that also need to be explored, and this program is an effort in that direction. So I hope you'll be enjoying the program to the fullest. The children will be performing at different levels. Teachers have also struggled and have put the act together, to get this program going, and I'm sure it will be an enlightenment for us, all of us, as we see a youngster performing on stage. So once again, I'd like to thank you for the precious little time that is spared for this event. And be rest assured that the school will be sparing no effort. It will leave no stone unturned to see that the child is doing the best. And once again, I'd like to say thank you very much for coming, and let's have this program going because it's already late. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Saurav Rai performing this opening dance in front of you all.
This dance is symbolic of the triumph of the truth over ignorance and impermanence. It is so elevating and energizing that it will definitely add life into the event fusion.
This dance is dedicated to Lord Shiva, who is always bent upon ensuring the safety and security of the created universe. We hope you enjoy.
2, 1.
सर्ववाङ्मयम् आहार्यं चन्द्र तारादीतं नमः सात्विकं शिवं 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 तं नमः शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो भो 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 शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो
Thank you for your beautiful performance. Now I would like to call some special guests for felicitation. Shyam Sundar Sharma Sir, Principal of Sri Krishna Pranami Vidya Niketan, Jilda Ma'am, Principal of Emmanuel International Academy, Prabhi Banerjee Sir, Principal of Olivia Enlightened English School.
We are extremely privileged to have their esteemed presence in our occasion.
I would also like to call our Chairman and Principal Sir to felicitate them.
बोला था इसीलिए बड़ा था लाने के लिए फ़ोन स्पेशली फ़ोन कर किया था।
उसका पास होगा तो देखिए। मुझे चाहिए कैमरा में लगाने के लिए। मुझे इस माथा चाहिए कैमरा में लगाने के लिए।
आगे का करने से नहीं होता।
आगे से हाई हो जाता है ना। ठीक है, तो रुकिए, ये प्रोग्राम खत्म होने दीजिए फिर जाता है।
Thank you, teachers. Please give them a huge round of applause.